Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, there goes that big southern snowstorm that dumped up to a foot of snow in east central Tennessee, and now it's going to dump well over a foot of snow in some of the big cities here in the Northeast. In fact, the Boston area expecting around 14 inches of snow in the southern suburbs of that city. But as for us, notice a few little specks of white here, a few little fine grainy flurries today, and I did have a report of a dusting in White County in some places earlier this morning, but I do think a little upper low will begin to affect us. What will happen, this will kind of pivot southward and pull in some of these snow showers into the area, especially later on tomorrow and tomorrow night, and that could lead to at least minor accumulation. That is my main focus in the outlook tonight on those scattered snow shower chances, which will pretty much linger not only later tomorrow, but into tomorrow night, Friday, and then pull out of here Saturday morning with minor accumulations. In fact, a few places could get 1 to 2 inches. Temperatures moderating. We'll be in the lower 30s and even lower 20s at night, so road chemicals should work okay with some of this snow. Then turning colder and breezy late in the weekend, and a clipper could bring a widespread 1 to 3 inch snow area-wide early on next week. Now, notice on Futurecast tonight, though, a lot of clouds around. Just a couple flurries here and there. Still watch for at least a couple slick spots as you're out tomorrow morning. And for tomorrow itself, a lot of clouds, perhaps a little sun mixing in, and a few snow flurries the early half of the day. But later on in the day, a wave of snow showers will pass through. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow night, so I think these will be scattered, but they will be numerous, and some of these snow showers could put out brief little bursts of heavier snow. When they put out little bursts like that, we call them more convective type snow showers because they behave more like thunderstorms. They won't produce thunder or lightning, but they will snow hard, then stop, snow hard again, and then stop. And then early Friday morning, still some scattered snow showers around. Now notice the snowcast. This is late tomorrow through Friday morning, so keep in mind your morning commute may be affected on Friday. 1.3 inches, Logansport, 1.4 Peru, over an inch at Delphi, 7/10 of an inch in Lafayette, half-inch Williamsport, 6/10 of an inch in Thorntown, and a little over an inch at Rensselaer. Let's track this kind of region-wide. Again, after that high today of 30 with a few flurries, here comes some of the snow showers, a 31 tomorrow, snow showers, 33 Friday. I think a lot of these snow showers will gradually pull away Saturday before it turns colder, lower 20s on Sunday. Mostly cloudy, a few flurries, 17 tonight, 31 and clouds, a little sun, then overcast later in the day, and some scattered snow showers moving in. Finally, over the next 7 days, scattered snow showers Friday into mainly the early half of Saturday. Then it gets colder, low 20s Sunday. We'll be in the low 20s next week, and there you see those snow chances by early on next week. So again, we've got one of these kind of pesky snowfall events that it won't amount to much, but it will slicken up roads, so be careful.
And you're continuing to watch those snowfall totals, too. That's kind of interesting.